afternoon, everyone. I am back with another tutorial video. This one is going to make your life a little easier when it comes to filling in or answering questions on Google Doc assignments that your teachers have prepared for you. So, again, I'm going to start with sharing my screen. And I'm going to walk you through it and show you how it works. Okay, so if I'm going into my Google Classroom and I'm looking under classwork, and this is an assignment that you all have probably already completed. If not, it is already in your Google Classroom for your other teachers, not for me, but for your other teachers. I just use this as an example. Main idea, Mr. Ferris. So I have this assignment. I'm going to click on it. And when it comes up, it's about a book that was read aloud to you, and it's asking some questions. So in this document, it's asking for the main idea and 3 supporting details that go along with the main idea. Now, I haven't read the book, so I'm just going to say something just to show you how it works. So these answers will not be correct. So don't try to copy them because I'm not going to give you the right answers because I haven't read the book. So let's say when I get ready to answer the first question, it asks me, what's the main idea? Well, instead of me having to go in and type it and try to figure out how to spell certain things and worry about if I'm spelling it correctly, I can just speak what I want said, and the computer will do all the typing for me, including if I put in a period or a comma. So let me show you how that works. The first thing I do is I go to Tools. And then once you click on Tools, you see Voice Typing. You'll click that, and a little microphone pops up over here. It says Click to Speak. So I'm going to click it, and it turns red. Now, you may have some type of pop-up come up, and you'll just have to click Allow. Since I've already used this, it's already red. And you can see everything that I'm saying right now is going into this little box over here. And so I press it again, and it stops recording me. But everything that I was saying, it was just typing away. So I'm going to erase this. And I'm going to actually answer the question. So I'm already here, and I'm going to click my little microphone. The main idea of this story is about sharing what you have with those who may not have what you have. And I'm done. And it said exactly, oh, and I forgot to put my period. Let me go back. Period. There, see? It has my sentence that I said, including when I put a period. Move down to the next one just to show you that it works rather well. One supporting detail is when John shared his extra paper that he had with Luke. Period. Press my microphone again and it stops recording. So guys, I hope this helps you. It makes your life much simpler and easier. So you don't have to really worry about trying to spell things correctly, and you won't get frustrated with your work that the teachers are providing for you to do. So use this tool as often as you can to help get your work done and make your life just a little bit more simpler. All right, guys. I'll talk with you later.